when people think about maintenance, when people think about reliability, I feel like people think of, 10, 20 different things. So to you, what does reliability mean?
So I believe that people think of maintenance, they think of the you broke it, we fix it type of mentality. Reliability is the first part of it, is really taking that to the next level and not just fix it, but let's understand why it broke and let's look for ways that we can make it better in the future.
Hmm.
Secondly, it's reliability is about being prepared. It's about having the machines and the assets prepared to make money to suit the customer's needs and achieve the efficiencies that they were designed to do. It's also being prepared for the worst case scenario. We do our best to prevent failures whenever possible, but failures are inevitable in this world, and so we need to make sure we're prepared to handle them when they do occur, both
Hmm.
in the equipment we have on hand, the spare parts we carry, and then also the training of our people.